Assalamualaikum. Kaifa kullu damam? Good evening in the Philippines. Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Kaifa kullu damam kois? Good evening. Hi, Ali. Assalamualaikum, Ali. Nisar. Assalamualaikum. Muhammad, how are you? Fine. Alhamdulillah. MD Roman. Sukran. Thank you po. Thank you sa lahat. Good evening in the Philippines. Assalamualaikum. To all my followers and viewers, mashallah. I'm so happy. Last night I upload one video, almost 890k k views. Today is 1.2 million, mashallah. Just only one day uploading videos in TikTok, mashallah, mashallah. Thank you so much for all my followers and viewers, mashallah. I really appreciate that. Okay, now I'm so happy because all my videos in TikTok is viral, and especially in Snapchat. Okay, Snapchat is not easy to make what is this, to viral your videos, but mashallah, almost my videos are viral in Snapchat. I cannot believe. But I have more views, mashallah. But thank you so much to all my followers and viewers in TikTok, even here and Snapchat, okay, and Instagram. But I soon, inshallah, I will open Instagram because I allow my husband. He allow me to open my Snapchat, Instagram. He said to me, you can open your, inshallah, but not now. I decided to open in my private Instagram. Inshallah, I will do, inshallah. Assalamualaikum, Ali. Kafe kullu damam kwais? Kullu damam kwais, mashallah. Hi, baby, mashallah. Berlin. So nice, love. Thank you, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Himush Jannah. Alaikum salam, habibi. Wow, your English is good. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, Sukran Muhammad. Islam, I love you too. I like you all. We love you all. Okay? We love you. Patum. Even in TikTok, there are people that loves me. Okay? They comment, I love you, Patum. I want to see you. You know that? Almost Saudi, Kalam Ana, they said to me, I want to meet you. I will give you a gift. You are deserved that deserve for dancing in the TikTok, but I never allowed to go anyone because I'm married already. Okay, they are almost Saudi. They talk to me nicely, especially Rijal man. You know that. Okay, they loves me and they said, I want to meet you. I will give you a idea, but I'm not stupid to meet anyone. Okay, just only uploading videos, just it. Okay. Because almost my TikTok is viral today, and even I have more millions coming, inshallah. But thank you so much. Okay, I really appreciate that. Thank you for love you all the time. Thank you for giving me stars. Thank you. I cannot read Arabic. Sorry, Habibi. I love you too. I love you too. All we love you all. How are you, Sabir Ahmad? I'm fine, alhamdulillah. How are you, mom? I'm fine, alhamdulillah. Akran. Islam, hello. Assalamualaikum, Islam. Sakawat. Assalamualaikum. I'm fine, alhamdulillah. So fast the comment, okay? Miskan Baig. Assalamualaikum, Habibi Kayat. Alaikum salam. How are you, How are you, ma'am? Alhamdulillah. But the Arabic, I cannot read your name because I think Bangladesh. I cannot read Bangladesh. Love you. We love you all. You know why? I make live in TikTok 5 times, okay? 5 times I won. All Saudi lost, okay? Oh, that's a purely Saudi, okay? They are banat, they are a woman. They are lost in battle. Because why? Because almost Arab people, they loves me, alhamdulillah. They give me gift when I was broadcast in live in TikTok. I just sitting, okay. When I see I'm lost because I'm boring, I need to do this. When I make dance slowly, wallah, I almost all of Saudi, they lost the battle broadcast. I got at $370 today, just today, 30 minutes for my broadcast live. That's why the TikTok is more earnings than the rest, okay. If you are famous in TikTok and you have a broadcast every day, you earn money. You earn money more. If you are famous, okay, you give the people, they give you, they support me, the Qatar, Dubai, Kuwaiti, they loves me. Okay, even the American people, even the one senator, because the senator in Germany, they loves me. And they always support me for my life. That's why they give me gift katir, but I lost all Saudi, mashallah. Shukran. When Majud Inta, hina, where are you from? I came from Philippines. I came from Philippines, but I born a Muslim, alhamdulillah. But my husband Saudi. Here, a purely Saudi Badu. But alhamdulillah. Nice, beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the watching me. Okay, I really appreciate that. I'm happy also. Wallahi, I'm happy because just only one day that video become 1.2 million today. Okay, just one day. Hindi ko po akalain na just one day nag-viral po ang videos ko, 1.2 million just one day. Just a simple dancing because I don't want to dance. I dance slowly. I dance Wibi Ibs like that. I dance Wibi hands. Baskida. I cannot dance strong and I can't because my husband killed me. He said you can dance slowly like a Saudi. Okay, but I never dance like a strong. I can dance strong like but I cannot. Okay, I slowly dance and we babes. Kida, bas. Thank you so much. We love you all. Thank you for pumasok po sa live ko. Thank you so much. Muhammad, I got now a GCash. They give me one of the Saudi. I got 2 days ago. I got more Adia gift for me. Okay. I'm thinking he's joking, okay? And Snapchat, he saw me in Snapchat. He's a very rich Saudi. He said, "Can you give me Fatumi Salamu Alaikum?" He said, "Fatumi Salamu Alaikum, Kafik Habibi, Kalam Ana." Okay? You are so very nice. I really like your videos. Okay? Can you give me your account? Bank. Wallah. Me also, I'm a Philippine. I send my bank, just joking, okay? Wallah is just 5 minutes. I got 3,000 riyal. Wallah, I cannot believe. That's Abdullah Sakrani. He gave me a gift. 3,000 oksum billah anama bikadab. Anasida. I'm very honest. He said to me, claim your money. When I saw in the receipt, my bank, oh my goodness, I cannot believe he gave me a deal 3,000 riyal. That's Abdullah Sakrani. Sukran Habibi, sukran. Yeah, Habibi, sukran. Because he's very rich, people in Al-Baha. He's very fucking rich. He sent to me all the property. I said, why you sent to me this property? Because I like you, Fatima. Okay, that's it. Because I'm a media, I'm a blogger, okay, a small blogger, alhamdulillah. But my Snapchat, I think my Snapchat is become more followers, mashallah, because almost so they hate me and they love it, baskida. Almost banat, they hate me. Oh, and the Saudi guys, Rijal, they love me, mashallah. That's very important, okay? Be kind to the people, be humble to the people, okay? I'm very humble, even I'm a famous in TikTok. Why? Because almost Saudi Arab people, they love me. Almost my videos is millions, but I really down to the earth. I don't want to be what is this, mayabang. Hindi po ako ganon, okay? I really appreciate all my followers and viewers. Pasensya po kung hindi ko kayo ma-replyan kaagad-agad kasi minsan po napapalo po ako. Gusto ko po tapusin ang mga comment ninyo, mag-reply kasi ayaw ko po bumaba din ang dashboard ko, okay? Apektado po, kapag hindi po ako nag-engage sa inyo, apektado po ang dashboard ko, okay? Just uploading videos and enjoy making reels everyday. Thank you so much mga ka-reels. Okay, we love you all. And we can see we can go to my TikTok and Snapchat. Okay? Alhamdulillah, I have more blessing, alhamdulillah. But I finished my 4th endorsement. That's last night. I make endorsement last night, alhamdulillah. I'm so happy kasi binayaran ako ng naglakad lang ako. Naglakad lang ako sa abaya na yun. I got $4,000. 4,000 riyal. Just I think just 30 minutes, naglakad lang po ako sa carpet. Yung carpet na yon, but I never tell the people I have endorsement, okay? Because here in Saudi Arabia, if you are blogger and they knows the people they are a big blogger, okay? Makakabayad ka ng $30. 30 riyal. And you go to jail also if you don't have a license. That's it. I cannot upload, hindi ko po ma-upload ang mga ano tawag doon, mga what is this, endorsement ko po na iba kasi big company po. One time I have a endorsement for Sara Company Abaya, okay? Ang dami po, ako lang po ang Pilipino doon, but hindi nila alam po, ang nakakaalam po ako ay Pilipino ay yung si Sara Madam Aziri. Siya po ang kumuha sa akin, sa nakita niya ako sa TikTok. Sabi niya, can you do that, this. But I do Sara Company, okay? But alhamdulillah, that's a blessing. Even small things, blessing na alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah kasi kahit maliit na bagay yan, mag-say ka alhamdulillah. Like in TikTok po. Okay? Like here, okay? Dito po sa atin na reels, kahit maliit bagay na yan, lalaki ang lalaki and be positive always, okay? And also I have nakita ko po ang daming bawal po na ina-upload ninyo, yung mga baguhan po. Bakit po kung gusto niyo ma-monetize here in Reels, wag po kayong mag-upload. I really every time na sinasabi ko sa inyo kasi nakikita ko po kahapon po ang dami kong nakita na bawal i-upload sa Reels. But I cannot comment indirectly kasi bawal po yon. Ang dami pong bawal na hindi pwedeng i-upload sa Reels. Katulad po ng photos, paulit-ulit na to photos, ang dami po yung baguhan. Sana po maintindihan niyo kung gusto po ninyo ma-monetize. Sayang po ang oras, okay? Yung bawal kay Mita, wag ninyong gawin, okay? Kasi hindi kayo ma-monetize kapag bawal yon, never kayo ma-monetize. And gusto niyo ma-monetize, alisin niyo mga photos, nilagyan pa niyo ng mga trending na po music, hindi po kayo ma-monetize, promise. Dinaanan ko dito po. Assalamualaikum, alaikum salam, yun lang po. Salamat po yung pumasok sa live ko. Thank you so much. I'm so happy kasi po I have more blessings. Alhamdulillah, and thank you po. Kahit may sakit po ako little by little, but I'm uploading the videos kasi kailangan ko mag-upload ng video kasi kapag na-monetize ka sa kay Mage, kailangan araw-araw may uploading videos. Okay, salamat sa lahat po yung pumasok sa live ko. Thank you so much. We love you guys. Mas salama. Kundi lang po kasi may pupuntahan po ako sa labas. Salamat sa lahat po. We love you all.